Well, hello everyone, my name is Robert and I'm your tour guide with Historic Edinburgh Tours. We've adapted our tours to offer you even more value for money and obviously increased safety for your group and for yourselves. We've changed our private tours so that it's just for you and any guests you bring, and we're offering you a choice of all our current lineup so you can pick the tour you want at a time that suits you best. You can choose from our Old Town tour, perfect for people who want a general exploration of the Old Town, the Greyfriars Kirkyard tour, which is a fascinating look at the lives and deaths of some of the people who made Edinburgh's history, and the Greyfriars Kirkyard tour involves much less walking than any of our other range. It's perfect for anybody who might have mobility issues. We can take you up the famous Royal Mile, a great choice for somebody who wants to learn about some of Scottish history's most famous characters, or we can take you around the places which were important to Edinburgh's Victorian poor. And this tour is an almost unique exploration of Edinburgh at a time which most tours and guidebooks seem to ignore. Okay, so would a local really want to explore their hometown? Now, I can only give you my perspective on this. I love walking around the old town and imagining some of the things which happened on the streets that we walk past every day. There's something I love about seeing a street corner that everybody's walking past without second glance and knowing that that same place played a part in the Civil War or that a world famous person once went to a pub there. It's like being in on a secret that only a few people know. Our tours often have locals coming along and the reaction from our local guests has been first class. So if you're looking for something to do and you want to get out and about and explore a place you thought you already knew, but perhaps want to see it differently, book a private tour with me and let me show you a very different side of your own city.